Master your profit margins by learning how to effortlessly edit pricing on your Shopify store's products. Let's dive into managing product prices first. Navigate to your Shopify admin on the left-hand menu. Click on Products. Here you'll see a list of all your items to edit a single product's price. Simply click on the product name you wish to modify. This will take you to the product's detail page. Scroll down until you find the pricing section. You'll see a field labeled Price. Click into this field and type in your desired new price. You can also update the Compare at Price here, which is useful for showing discounts once you've entered your new price. Scroll to the top right of the page and click the Save button. Your product's price is now updated instantly. But what if you need to change prices for multiple products at once? Shopify makes this easy with bulk editing. Go back to your main products list now. Check the boxes next to all the products you want to edit. You can select several at once for efficiency. With your products selected, look for the Edit Products button that appears above the product list. Click this button. This will open a spreadsheet-like view of your selected products. In this bulk editor, you can directly modify the price column for all selected items. You can type in new prices or even copy and paste prices if you have them in another format. Make sure to make your adjustments carefully once you're done. Click the Save button at the top right to apply all your changes. Want to run a sale? You can use the Compare at Price field to create a sale effect. Simply enter the original price in the Compare at Price field and your sale price in the Price field. Shopify will then automatically display the sale price with the original price crossed out, enticing your customers. By mastering these pricing adjustments, you can keep your Shopify store competitive, drive more sales, and boost your overall profitability. Keep your prices sharp and your customers happy.